Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll do a quick review on some bubble wrap I received. I ordered this online, got it in a couple days, came in a nice big box. This product, I did purchase it myself, but it came in a couple days, and I've been purchasing bubble wrap online for forever. And it's very hard to find good quality bubble wrap at a good price. And that's the key trick, the good price. So this is how this comes. This came in two big rolls. Let me just show you here how it comes. It comes in two big rolls. Each roll is 350 feet. Of the bubble, and there's two rolls, which gives you 700 feet, which is really, really good. And you get a box that you can actually reuse for something else. So don't throw these boxes away. Boxes are expensive, and it's great to have an extra box to ship something, or if you're moving or whatever, keep the box. How it comes a little wrapped, just like you see here. This is a 12. Let's take a look at this together real quick. Put it over here. So it's a 12-inch roll, as you can see here. All right, I want to show you this. I want to show you this 12-inch roll. Right here, and you can see each and every 12-inch roll and every 12 inches it's perforated. Okay, what I like about this bubble wrap specifically, it's almost like a saran wrap feeling to it, so it's going to wrap around the item and protect it at the same time. Wraps very easily, it breaks off very easily, works well, and the bubbles feel decent. They're not breaking real easy. You know, sometimes you buy those bubble wraps and they break real quick. This is not. You got to press these, and you have to press them pretty hard to snap them, so you're going to get some good protection. These are small bubbles. Okay, just let you know, these are very small bubbles, which I do a lot of small things. So depending on what you're shipping, depending on what you buy. But these work well for me. These are the small bubbles. Again, this is 350 feet. Come in a roll, just like you see here. Works well. Again, I like this saran wrap feeling to it. They rip easily. They work well, and they grab around it, which I like that. Some of them don't do that. And this is not staticky at all, not statically cling, none of that stuff. And it comes in a great box. So my review is definitely purchase these. I definitely highly recommend this company. Fantastic. It works well, and I'm going to purchase from now on. I've been buying online forever, and this one here is my new best friend, because they do use a lot of bubble wrap. We do a lot of shipping here, and this is the way it comes. This is how it looks. This is the way it is. So definitely highly recommend this. Definitely go for this one, and hope you enjoyed this quick review. Thanks for watching.